Hey everyone, it's Joanne. You're going to want to take control of your yard cleanup with this Eagle Power cordless leaf blower. Now this blower has some serious power, like up to 180 miles per hour airflow. This is more than capable of tackling the thick piles of leaves, wet debris, grass clippings, and even the stubborn yard messes that like to cling to the driveways and the patios. So what's really impressive is how easy it is to use this. So you just pop in the battery. Comes with this nice rechargeable battery, and then press the button and you're done. No gas mixing, no pulling of cords. You just pop in that battery, squeeze the button, and you're in business. This has a variable speed trigger, so it has a lock-in dial too that lets you choose exactly how much power you want, and from lighter cleanup jobs to full turbo mode. And when it's in turbo mode, wow, it is absolutely powerful. It comes with this battery that just pops off the back end, and then you just pop it on the charger that comes with it. And it's also nice, it's interchangeable with other Eagle type power tools. This one is easy to carry, got a nice ergonomic shape and well balanced. It's got this nice long nozzle so you don't have to bend over when you're trying to blow the leaves or the ground. This leaf blower is a great investment. It's powerful, it's reliable, it's incredibly convenient. If you want serious leaf moving power without gas headaches, this is an excellent investment for year-round yard cleaning. You will love it.